Hey guys, CFET here. Welcome to my AI Wrappers review and bonuses. In a nutshell, AI Wrappers is a no-code platform designed for users to create and sell their own custom, AI-powered applications. It works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Describe your tool, text or voice. Just type or speak what you want. Example: a skincare app that gives morning and night routines based on user input. No prompts to engineer, no APIs to wire, no guesswork. Step 2. Let AI wrappers build it instantly. Behind the scenes, AI wrappers connects the right AI models, sets up the logic, creates your input form, and builds a real app. Live, hosted, and ready to go. Drag and drop input form editor works for text, image, voice, or video tools. Choose a template or start from scratch. Step 3. Customize, publish, and monetize. Add your branding, connect your domain, set pricing, and go live. You can even enable email capture, add usage limits, and get paid with Stripe. White label everything. Collect leads or payments, share instantly, or sell to clients. Inside AI Wrappers, you can either pick from 100 plus ready to launch AI apps or build your own. To create a custom app, just describe what you want using your voice or text in over 50 languages. Make sure to stay until the end of this review, as I will also show you the AI Wrappers demo, OTOs, and bundle deal to give you an overview of what you will get with each upgrade. Plus, I have some exclusive bonuses if you purchase AI Wrappers through my referral link below. Now let's see AI Wrappers in action.
Hey, it's Rohit Shah here, and I'm about to show you something that can turn your AI ideas into real sellable apps in just minutes. I'm talking about tools people are already paying 19, 49, even $99 per month for. And with AI wrappers, you can build them yourself without writing a single line of code. This is the AI wrappers dashboard. You'll see recent apps here, a shortcut to our AI creator, access to 100 plus templates, and everything you need to launch and manage your tools. Let's start with what I believe is the most powerful part of AI wrappers, the AI creator. This is a natural language app builder, which means you don't need to know any prompts, no tech setup, nothing. You just speak or type what kind of app you want to build, and the system does the rest. And yes, it even works in your own language: Hindi, Spanish, French, anything. Let me show you how this works. So let's create a SEO audit tool where user enters an website URL and it returns with optimization tips, errors, and suggestions. So let's go ahead. And just like that, the input form is ready, the AI logic is written, and the model is already connected. If you want to get specific, you can even say use GPT-4 for this app or use Gemini and make the response 5 bullet points only. And the system understands that too. Or just let the AI handle everything and it will intelligently choose the right model based on what your app needs. So I'm just gonna say make it as per your choice, and let's ask it to use GPT 4.1 model, and let's go ahead. And here's the coolest part. This is real chat interface. So after the app is created, you can say things like add another input field for topic or make the tone more casual, and it updates your app instantly. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click create app and it gets published live into your dashboard, ready to be shared or edited further. This is what makes AI wrappers so powerful. You describe what you want in plain language and your AI app is built for you in seconds. Right, once the app is created, it's not just sitting in draft. It's actually live and fully functional right now. Let's preview it. This is the front end, the user facing version of the app we just created. They simply enter their website URL here and hit generate, and the AI gives them an instant SEO audit with suggestions and tips. And right now, this is a free to use tool. Anyone can use it. But with just a few clicks, we can restrict access, capture leads, or even charge users for every use. Now, here is something cool. We are not locked in. We can go back to AI Creator and ask to update the app. For example, let's type add name and email input fields before user can use the app. And just like that, the AI updates the app structure for us. Now let's preview the app again. And just like that, your app has started to capture leads. And AI wrappers tracks everything automatically. Let's jump into app analytics. Here you can see all the leads collected, names, emails, timestamps, all organized and exportable. Whether you're offering a free tool or running a lead gen funnel, this makes it super easy to track performance. But if you want full hands-on control, that's where the manual editor comes in. Let me quickly walk you through the 5-step builder so you can fine-tune every part of your app. Here you can manually edit the details of your app if you don't want to use the AI creator. The first step is the basic step for name, logo and app description. Next up, choosing your AI model. AI Wrapper supports all the top models out of the box. You've got GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and others, with more being added as advancements come out. So your apps are always powered by the latest and most powerful AI without needing to worry about the tech behind it. And here's the best part, you don't need to deal with API integrations, prompt formatting, or ongoing model maintenance. We handle all of that for you behind the scenes. Want to try a different model? Just click and swap, and it's that simple. The next step is interface. This one's huge. You can drag and drop form inputs like text box, file uploads, drop downs, whatever your app needs from this area. Next, you can decide how your users access your app. You can make it free, email gated, or even connect Stripe and start charging right away. And finally, you can plug in your own domain and you've got a live branded hosted AI app ready to share and sell. But you don't even have to start from scratch. AI Wrappers comes loaded with 100 plus high converting templates across every niche. Social media tools, business apps, image and video AI tools, content generators, education, health, everything's here and ready to launch. Every app is one click for you to deploy and start using. Now, if you have tried tools like Lovable or Bold.new, you might wonder how AI Wrappers is different. Those are great for testing small ideas, but here's the difference. With Lovable and Bolt, you need to manually write and edit prompts. You are responsible for your own hosting and app security. Stripe integration, that's on you. And if OpenAI or any API changes, you are the one who has to fix the app. AI Wrappers handles all of that for you. We give you drag and drop app creation, secure built-in hosting, Stripe integration ready to go, a no maintenance backend. You focus on the product and we handle the tech. and full branding, your domain, your logo, your business. And remember, these aren't just fun AI tools, they are actual products you can sell. People are paying hundreds, even thousands for niche specific AI apps. We have made it easy to turn these into lead magnets, paid utilities, or full on SaaS tools. So that's AI wrappers. You don't need to hire a developer, you don't need to manage servers, you don't need to worry about APIs breaking. You just bring your idea and we'll turn it into working AI app you can sell in minutes. This is Rohit Shah signing off. Thank you for watching.
Alright, let's break down the AI wrappers pricing and the entire sales funnel so you know exactly what each offer includes. First up is the main offer, the AI wrappers front end, which is a one-time price of $45.50. This is the core software that gets you started. It comes packed with features, allowing you to create AI apps instantly by typing or speaking in over 50 languages. You get access to a library of over 100 templates, a no-code drag-and-drop builder, and support for text, image, video, and voice models. It also includes built-in Stripe integration for payments and lead capture forms. With this front-end version, you can build up to 10 apps, create 5 workspaces, and connect 2 custom domains. Plus, you can get an additional $5 off using the coupon code AI Special. Now, after the front end, there are several optional one-time offers, or otos, to enhance the software. It's important to know that you must purchase the front-end software first to be able to buy these upgrades. Alternatively, the bundle package includes everything. OTO1 is AI Wrappers Pro for $67. This unlocks Pro AI models and templates, and you'll receive 10 new Pro templates every month for a year, along with all future updates. OTO2 is AI Wrappers Platinum, also for $67. This gives you more control, allowing you to restrict app usage with custom limits, add CAPTCHA to block bots, view full usage history, and most importantly, remove all AI Wrappers branding from your apps. OTO3 is AI Wrappers Agency for $97. This is designed for client work. It gives you unlimited workspaces, lets you connect 10 additional custom domains, and provides 20 extra premium templates along with done-for-you logos, graphics, and landing pages. OTO4 is the reseller package for $50. This is essentially a business in a box. You get 50 account licenses that you can sell to clients at any price and keep 100% of the revenue. The AI Wrappers team handles all the hosting, maintenance, and tech support for your customers. Now, if you want the best value, there's the AI Wrappers bundle, which costs $268 one time. This package includes the front-end offer plus all 4 OTOs, Pro, Platinum, Agency, and the 50 reseller licenses. It's the entire funnel in one purchase, and you can get a massive $80 off using the coupon code AI Bundle. After the bundle, there is a final upgrade for serious users called AI Wrappers Mega Unlimited for $297. This removes most restrictions, letting you create unlimited AI apps, send unlimited AI messages, connect unlimited custom domains, and collect unlimited leads, all with 3 years of hosting included. Please note, you must purchase the bundle first to be eligible for this Mega Unlimited upgrade. But what if Mega Unlimited is too much? If you decline that offer, you'll be presented with a special downsell, the Mega Usage Plan for $97. This is an exclusive offer for bundle buyers that gives you a significant boost, increasing your limits to 25 apps, 10 workspaces, 5 custom domains, and 2 years of hosting. It's a great middle ground option. So that's the full breakdown of the entire sales funnel. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what each offer includes. Alright, and on top of everything else, if you decide to get AI wrappers through my link, I'm also including some exclusive launch bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. First up is my exclusive bonus number 1. This is a quick guide where I'll show you exactly how to sell mid-journey prompts on Etsy using ChatGPT. It's a fantastic way to create a simple and profitable side business. Next, for exclusive bonus number 2, I'm going to show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel using only free tools. This is perfect if you want to create content and build an audience without ever having to show your face on camera. You'll get both of these exclusive bonuses completely free when you pick up AI Wrappers through the link in the description below. Alright, so that's the full deep dive into AI wrappers. We've gone through a live demo of the 3-step process, broken down the entire funnel from the front end to the OTOs and the bundle deal, and I've shown you my exclusive bonuses. So, what's my final opinion? For the right person, AI Wrappers is a game changer. If you're tired of just using AI tools and want to be on the other side, selling them, this is your most direct path. It's not for expert developers, but for entrepreneurs, marketers, and agency owners who want to quickly launch monetizable AI apps without writing a single line of code. It's incredibly powerful. Remember, you can start with over 100 templates or just speak your idea into existence. And when you add in my exclusive bonuses showing you how to sell mid-journey prompts on Etsy and how to start a faceless YouTube channel, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a complete business building package. So if you're ready to get started, the next step is simple. Click the first link in the description below this video to get to the official website. If you're going for the all-in-one option, make sure to use the coupon code AI bundle at checkout to get that big discount on the bundle deal. Once you've purchased, all of my exclusive bonuses will be delivered to you automatically. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button. It makes a huge difference. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be in there answering them. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sifat, and I'll see you in the next video.